Let's convert 520 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how we do it. So we need a conversion factor. And the conversion factor we'll use is 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we'll take our 520 millimeters of mercury and we're going to multiply that times our conversion factor up here. We want to cancel millimeters of mercury out. So why don't we take and put the 760 millimeters of mercury here as our denominator. That way they'll cancel out. Then we want to have atmospheres, that 1 atmosphere, put that as the numerator. That's what we're looking for. Those are the units we want. So when we multiply, we have millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom. They're gone. We're left with atmospheres. So 520 divided by 760, 0.6842. Let's just leave it at 0.684. The units are going to be atmospheres. That's the only units that are left, and that's how we know we set it up correctly. It's Dr. B converting 520 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.